Hi guys, part 2 of this absolutely incredible care package from this guy. Absolute diamond geese, absolutely fantastic. Massive PC here, huge box, and still got quite a few cards left. We have got, don't know what this is out of, I've actually seen it before. This is Don Russ as well, 35 out of 50. And we've got, oh this is cool, so we've got a bit of helmet, bit of jersey and a bit of ball as well. I've never seen this before. That's gorgeous. Bit of all three. Really gorgeous. Lovely shine on that. Next. Oh, look at this, my word. I've actually got something similar, but not autograph. We've got Tools of the Trade. This is one of my favourite sets, actually. It's out 2008. And we've got 17 out of 25. This is a beautiful card. This has got 1, 2, 3 patch. That's got to be out of his Oregon uniform. Auto. So 17 out of 25. Hello. Up you go.
I love you.
Son 1.
Hello.
Youngest. And Josh.
Yeah.
Showing off cards. We like cards as well, don't we, huh?
Yeah.
Okay. Right, let me do this.
Named after
Steven Jackson. This is Jackson.
But I'm not her baby.
Right, upstairs, boys.
But we
Come on.
will stay down with you.
No, because this video's going to be really long for people. Up we go. I'll be 5 minutes. Go, go, go.
That means you'll
Go.
be here 6 minutes. Make it 7 because it's already been 2 minutes.
It's been a lot. People are going to have sore bottoms. Up you go.
Oh.
Go, go, go.
I don't care.
Go on, boys.
I want to keep on.
We have got, this is gorgeous. This is out of Upper Deck. Beautiful signature there. Absolutely love his signature anyway. That is gorgeous. Stunning card. I've got the one that faces up. That's more of a portrait. Nitty gritty here, boys. We have got out of Fleer Platinum. This is beautiful. This is good. What year is this? 2004 rookie. So this is 8 out of 22. Up you go.
Wait.
Up you go.
Just saying.
Go.
Everyone has to support for Steven Jackson.
Good.
Even rugby fans, you will always go to his rugby play. Oh, you know I can't talk.
Cameo. Beautiful. Oh, this is stunning. I've never seen this card at all. This one's out of Absolute Memorabilia 2006 Spectrum. This has got to be, I was going to say 2 out of 10. Already in a screw down. That is gorgeous, Scott. That is a stunner. That is absolutely beautiful. Man. Killing it. What we got? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 autos already. Man, killing it. Absolutely killing this. And another one. This one's out of Don Russ, I know that. That's out of Classics 2005. Second year card. This is really neat card. I love this brand. 43 out of 50. Man. Gorgeous. 6 autos, man. I think that takes me up to 40, I think. Next, this is beautiful. This I think this is a set I'm actually doing in base. And this is 20 out of 25. Finest rookie moment, December the 28th, 2004. So the previous 2 games, the Rams turned to Jackson on December 28, 2004. The rookie responded with a season-high 148 rushing yards and a touchdown. A 20-7 victory over Philadelphia. This is 20 out of 25. And this is out of Topps Chrome. That's probably going to go in Jared's Topps Chrome Facebook group. Picture, not card. That is an absolute stunner. Yes, Jax.
I'm going to put my money on the couch.
That's absolutely fine, my man.
And I need to go.
Up you go.
I love all the fans out there. But I love my dad more.
Excellent. Good to hear it, Jax. Beautiful card. Stunning card. That would have been enough. That would have been enough. This is another one you've slipped in, Scott, because this wasn't in the pictures at all. This is draft picks, NFL draft picks, rookie card, Prestige 2004, 49 out of 50. Wow. That is beautiful. Oregon uniform. Got such a nice signature, Steven Jackson. Absolutely love it. That is a stunner. That is an absolute stunner. Love it. Next up, we have got, oh wow, this is gorgeous. Donruss Gridiron 2007 gear. This is a mini helmet auto. This is 5 out of 32. Look at that, absolutely stunning cards. I got one, it's signed in silver, but it was slightly bigger than the actual mag case, which is a shame because I couldn't get that one in. It looks so cool in a mag case, these ones. That is a gorgeous card, mate. That is stunning. So what are we up to? Like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 autos already. This is... yeah. Stuff dreams are made out of this. We have got... This is cool. It's at Prestige 2011. I've got a few bits of these, so could be another set, potential set build. 21 out of 50. 3 colour patch. Love that card. Love the action shot on there. Oh, stunning out of Tools of Trade again. This one's number 1, 1 out of 10. 101, eBay 101. This is stunning. Look at this, 3-piece. 3 colour piece. Beautiful, beautiful card. That is stunning. Man, you are killing this, Scott. Absolutely killing this. We have got, there could be a part 3. The way this is going. So exciting. We have got, out of Exquisite, this is 48 out of 75. Maximum jersey, 4 colour piece. Look at this. This one's picked. Lovely action piece. Absolutely incredible card. Stunning. Absolutely beautiful. So nice. We have got out of Topps Performance Highlights. That is a beaut. I think I've started collecting the base of this set as well. So that will fit in nicely. Lovely. Better hurry up, you lot are going to get bored. This for me though, this is incredible. This is at Prestige 2010. Another one of my favourite packs. Chris Johnson. 3 colour piece of his and a 2 colour piece of Steven Jackson. 22 out of 50. I mean, look, that was a year that Chris Johnson went over 2000, 2006, Jackson 14, 16. That is a gorgeous card, absolutely gorgeous. Next, we have got, oh wow, another one. So we've got 5 out of 32, we've got 32 out of 32, another eBay 101. Scott, man, that's naughty. If you had doubles, you should have kept some, because I know you're a big Rams fan. Wow. Wow. Incredible. We have got, this one is out of NFL Nation. This is Yeah, Panini 38 out of 50. Lovely 3 colour piece in there. Some mad case action going on. That is a gorgeous card, mate. Really lovely. We have got Down and Distance now. Got some of these as well. This is awesome. Another set build. Donruss Elite 2010. 43 out of 299. Gorgeous. Man. Seriously need a new box. We've got a green. I don't think they're... Yeah, it must be going colourblind. They look like green and blue for a minute. We have got Out of Upper Deck, Captured on Canvas. These are really gorgeous looking cards. Look at these two. Really lovely oil effect on these. Always take doubles, always. We have... Oh, wow, wow, wow. This is off the Captain patch again. This is shirt off my back again. So we've got 3 out of the set, 33 out of 50. Look at that. Wow. What a patch. Captain patch. Scott, mate. Up you go. 2 out of 4 out of 325. This is artifacts again. That is a beauty. That'll go with the other one nicely. Jax, up you go, buddy. Gotta get through these. Up you go. Come on, buddy. This one's out of Epics. This is 190 out of 299. This is a really neat looking card. Really nice. Come on, buddy. Up you go, because we've got to go in a minute. Oh, look at this, that dress code. This is out of... Must be Donruss again, I think. No, Panini. 17 out of 50. We have got... 1, 2, 3 colour patch. That is gorgeous. Huge bit in there, absolutely beautiful. Next up, we have got out of Donruss 2009, another 3 colour patch, 31 out of 50. I don't think you're going to have any more Steven Jackson left, mate, I don't think. Love it, love it. We have got out of Rare Patches Duel, another one of my favourite backs of all time. Sean Alexander, this is 24 out of 50. That is a stunner. You've got a 2-piece Jackson piece and 1-piece Sean Alexander. 2 great running backs on 1 card. Can't complain with that, buddy. Awesome. Gonna have to sort through these tonight, get my box out. Have a bit of a nerd out. This is out of NFL Nation, out of Panini. Wow, what a card. Look at the pieces on this. Must be part of the ram head logo. I think that's off the actual horn. Jeez, stunning. Yeah, it would be. It would be. What a card. That's off the, yep, definitely off the ram's head horn. Often talk to people when they say, how can you get excited over sports cars? And it's like, pfft, nothing like it. Absolutely nothing like this. This one's at Dress Code Classics again. Got some serious set building going on here, Scott. 28 out of 50. Very cool. We have got, dropping it. Wow, that's gorgeous. This one is at National Treasures Century. Look at that. This is 22 out of 50. What an incredible looking card. That is beautiful. We have got Out of Russian league leaders, we've got Woody Parker. He rushed for 14.64. Stephen Jackson, 15.28. That is a beaut. So many cool cards out there. And this is an absolute stunner. This is out of Leaf Limited again. They really do a lovely card. 10 out of 10, eBay 101. Look at that. 2-piece colour patch. Love it. Look at the shine on that. Be more Greg shine. We have got Statistical Standouts 14-16. This is the 2-piece prime patch. That is lovely. That's number 4 out of 50. That is a gorgeous looking card, mate. Really love it. And we have got at National Treasures, one of my favourites, a 3-piece colour. This is gorgeous. 27 out of 50. Look at that. Wow. Now this is a lovely looking card out of Certified 2009 again. And this is lovely, got some lovely stitching on there, 37 out of 50. Really neat stitching there. Man, I must have nearly an entire Stephen Jackson jersey out of these patches, Scott. Oh, this is stunning. We've got a 3-piece colour patch from Panini Gridiron 2010. 13 out of 50. That is gorgeous. Okay, so the box is done, and we've got 2 cards in here. Let's have a look. Wow. I think I missed out on one of these on eBay about 2 months ago, and fell asleep and missed it. This is 19 out of 100 out of Unrivaled. I absolutely love this card. Look at that. Incredible looking card. One of my favourites. Absolutely love that. And wow, here we go. This is 3 out of 18. And this is the red out of triple threads. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 colour pieces. Red triple thread. What a card to finish on, Scott. What a card to finish on. You can probably tell by the I'm going to be grinning there for the rest of the year, I think. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 incredible autos. Man, absolutely incredible. That's biggest PC hit I'm ever going to get. Thanks ever so much. I know you're a huge Rams fan, Scott, and to give that up must have been, well, I don't know, stunning. So I think I can safely say I'm the biggest Stephen Jackson collector in England. Yeah, absolutely gobsmacked. Thanks ever so much for your generosity, and wouldn't take any more for the shipping, even though it costs you quite a bit. That's this is what the card community is all about, and so many great guys out there. Oh, just wonderful to be part of. It's made some really good friends out of this in probably just over a year, to be honest. So yeah, I'll be getting you back, brother. Yeah, so from England, that was a PT hit. That was Stephen Jackson. So thanks, Scott, again, and subscribe to him. Great guy. One of many. Thanks very much. Thank you.